On this week's Counting Duggars, we have the latest on Josh's upcoming trial and the potential evidence that may be used in court against him. Plus, this episode's social post of the week goes to the Dillards. We got this and so much more on this week's Counting Duggars. What's up, guys? I'm your host, Nicholas Gonzalez, for this week's Counting Duggars, the show in which we talk about your favorite reality TV family, the Duggars. But before we begin today's episode, I need you to hit the sub, like, and bell button down below for all the latest on your favorite celebs. But okay, let's get to the news. It's been reported that Josh Duggar's lawyers filed a motion to dismiss 2 of the charges against him, which includes 1 count of receiving child pornography and 1 count of possessing child pornography. Now, in court documents back from August, Duggar's lawyers claimed that prosecutors failed to preserve evidence that could potentially prove his innocence. Another motion was requested to dismiss the indictment because 2 acting secretaries at the U.S. Department of Homeland Security had not been officially appointed at the time of Duggar's investigation. Now, recently, federal prosecutors responded to Josh's team's request to suppress photos that were taken while he was in custody. Duggar's legal team basically wanted to suppress the photos of his hands, claiming they were taken without his consent and in obscure angles. However, the federal prosecutors claim that there's no basis for the judge to dismiss the case or to suppress the photos. The prosecutor's statement mentions Josh consented to the photos being taken and was not coerced into doing so. Now, the prosecutors also added the importance of the photos, claiming a scar on Josh Duggar's hand allegedly looks similar to a scar in an image recovered in one of the electronic devices that was seized. Now, more info should come from this after the court hearing set for October 4th, 2021. In addition to this news, prosecutors reportedly shared more findings to the court from their investigations to prove the case has merit. Prosecutors have learned from an employee who used to work with Josh that his computer allegedly had a program installed called Covenant Eyes, which would send an alert to his wife, Anna Duggar. Apparently, prosecutors feel this is significant information as they build their case. But alright, let's switch gears now to the Duggar social post of the week, which in this week, it goes to the Dillards as they continue on their day trips. But okay, there is a runner-up for today's social post of the week. Amy King recently posted an adorable photo with an interesting caption that reads, "I'm a mama bear. I may seem pretty chill, but mess with my little cub and I will break out a level of crazy that will make your nightmare seem like a happy place." Now, it is pretty interesting to see this considering one of her previous posts had to do with her cutting off toxic family members. But alright, that's it for this week's Counting Duggars. For all the latest on your favorite celebs and of course the Duggars, make sure to hit the sub, like, and bell button down below. Bye, guys.